In this video, I'm going to show how to add multiple choice and short answer in Google Forms. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I will show you the process on computer, but you can do the exact process on your phone too. The first thing you need to do is come on your Google or a navigator, search Google Forms, and click on the first option. You will come to this page, click right here, access Google Forms, and here you can use any template if you want. I recommend you to click on blank to make from 0. Here you put the title of the form, so for example test, the form description, I will put test 2, and here is the option that interests us. We need to put multiple choice right here, so click right here, multiple choice, and here you put your question. So for example, how old are you? How old are you? Click on the first option, put the answer that you want to put, so 20, 30, 40, and so on. Here you can also mark as required question. Then to add another question, you click on this plus button and you add another question. You can add more multiple choices or short answers. Okay, you have several options right here. Okay, but usually we use multiple choice and short answers. So short answer, I will put the same question, how old are you? Okay, and here the person have a short answer text to respond your question. Mark as required again, and you can do the exact process as many times as you want. Okay, so mark as required. Then to send the form to the person, click at the top right corner, send, and here you can send by email, by link, and by HTML. I recommend link, so click to share the link, copy and send to the person. The person will answer the questionnaire, and you just need to click responses right here to see our responses. I hope I helped you on how to add multiple choice and short answer in Google Forms. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.